Hi, welcome or welcome back. I'm Tish. This is my son.
Hi, I'm Evan. You've probably seen me like twice already.
And today we are going to unbox our snack crate. Doesn't need to be like that, buddy.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Snack crate. Alright.
Ow.
Sorry.
Ow.
Alright.
Sweet, buddy.
And that is what the inside looks like.
We are having Canadian. And of course we get the classic joke of these snacks are expired. They're actually not. I mean, it's just extra read.
Alright, and we have Canada.
You could read this if you want. Just pause the video.
And inside it shows you like fun facts and about Canada. And then we have a flyer about what comes in the box.
Ooh.
Open it up.
Oh, interesting. What are Ruffles?
Oh, Ruffles. Alright. Do you want to read about the Ruffles?
Yeah. Ruffles all dress. The most popular chip in Canada. Made with paprika and a secret blend of spices. So good. All capitals.
As well.
Smells like pepper. Hot chili pepper.
No, it
Mixed
smells
in
like
with Ruffles.
vinegar.
Mm. That's actually pretty good. Mm. Ow. Chip went vertical. Let's see.
Alright, we got candies or chips.
Let's see. Now.
Okay.
Ketchup chips. These famous Canadian chips are the perfect mix of savory and salty flavors, with a hint of sweetness that makes them irresistible. Let's see if they are most irresistible as it says they are.
No.
That smells disgusting. Let's try it, I guess. Ew. It was actually pretty good.
They kind of taste like ketchup with a hint of mustard.
Yeah.
Let's do these.
Okay.
That is right there.
Okay.
Passion.
Flaky. This light and sweet Canadian favorite features flaky pastry filled with fruit, jelly, and cream. Spelled the wrong way.
No. That's not spelled wrong.
Oh, is that how they say it? Well, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's flaky.
That looks like a Pop-Tart.
Wow.
Yeah, that's messy.
Woo.
flakes, pretty good. Mixed in with the jelly makes it so good. I want these. And cream.
Well,
Mixed it.
so that
Way
is
too good.
very messy. I got that all over in my hair. That's actually really good. It kind of tastes like
It tastes like sweet goodness. That's what it tastes like.
almost like a strawberry shortcake kind of thing with a flaky crust.
Okay. Juicy squirts.
Maynards.
These soft and snackable gummies are filled with a sweet splash of fruit flavor in every bite. Let's see.
Oh, and they're all squished open, it looks like. Smell.
Actually, it smells like fruit gummies, like the average
Yeah.
fruit gummy.
But it's got like jelly stuff in the middle.
Mmm. 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 That's really good. Please and thank you.
Mm.
That's a lollipop. Oh, we got another one.
This is Fuzzy Peach. And that is right there.
Fuzzy peach. Sweet and chewy peach flavored gummies slices. Packed with flavor and made with real fruit juice. This may be healthy. Let's see if it really is healthy. They feel like rocks. Okay.
I like
First of all, sour. Sour, sour, and sour. That's all I have to say.
They taste like peach rings.
Yeah. Except with 99.9% more sour.
Uh-oh. We lost that paper.
It's right here. Never
Nope,
mind.
it's right here. Here, you hold the box real quick.
Okay. Next, we'll try
Alright. Let's try the Thrills.
Thrills.
Oh no, that's gum. We'll wait.
Yeah. Wow, crushed cream soda.
The Glossette. Right there.
Fawcett Raisins.
Here.
Grab your favorite movie and this favorite snack. Sweet raisins drenched in creamy milk chocolate. I have had chocolate raisins before. They are good.
Oh, I don't need that many.
They're just as better. They're just as good. I'll take this one, thank you very much. Oh! Let's get over here.
Let's go with these ones real quick.
Regalos. Regalos BBQ. Crunchy rings made from corn and infused with savory and smoky barbecue flavor. Says what it says. Well, let's have a taste.
That is what they look like. Cover your face real quick. Oh, there we go.
One word, 2 words, 3 words actually. Crunchy and hot. A little spicy.
Those are not spicy.
No, it feels like to me.
Go with the Smarties.
Ooh, Smarties! Ooh-hoo-hoo. Nestle Smarties. A long-time favorite in Canada. These chocolate candies are covered in brightly colored sugar coating. I guess I'll have a taste. Eat it. Trust me. Just eat it. It's good. Holy. Another
These
one that
ones
I
are
want.
like M&Ms, except for they're premier on the inside.
Next.
Macintoshes.
Macintosh Toffee. Enjoyed in Canada for over 100 years. That's a century. Macintosh Toffee is known for being not too hard and not too soft. Wow. I think they only meant for this for one person. I think they meant for only one person to eat.
A bite.
Hard.
Can you bite it?
Eh.
Okay, take your teeth out.
I can't.
Open your mouth.
Well, I got some out.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to cut that later. Did it taste good?
I couldn't taste it.
Here, suck on the end of it. Just suck on it.
Toffee. Yes.
Alright.
It's toffee, alright.
Well, I have enough problems with my teeth. I'm not gonna actually try that one. Alright, this is the sucker.
We can't have that together.
Maple
Lollipop. This is quintessentially Canadian treat made of 100 pure maple syrup. What more could you ask for? Chocolate covered raisins. That's what I would ask for more. That rhymed. I can't speak.
Don't bite it. Take it. I'm not going to try that one. Tastes like syrup?
Yeah, maple syrup.
I'll put that back in there for now. You can have that later.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to have to do the gum last.
Yeah.
Now we have the Doritos. Where's the Doritos?
You're holding them.
On the paper.
Oh. Doritos Zesty Cheese. These chips feature a blend of Parmesan and cheddar cheese with a deliciously tangy kick. Pretty sure they don't. They smell like nacho cheese Doritos.
Yeah. They look like nacho cheese Doritos.
And they taste like them. They taste like nacho cheese Doritos.
Still good.
And the aftertaste tastes like nacho cheese Doritos. Why? Jill's gum. It still tastes like soap. It's is a strange but endearingly Canadian description for this rosewater flavored chewing gum. Oh, if it tastes like soap, I'm not having it. I mean, I could try.
I don't know about this.
I mean, I could try it and see if you should have it or not.
Smell. Just smell.
Smells like Dove soap.
Dove.
I'll try it.
Okay, but no puking on camera.
I know.
Spit it out if it's gross. There's a bucket right there.
Oh, come on! But it actually does taste good. And there's the kick. That's
Yuck.
hot. That's actually pretty spicy.
You like that?
Yeah. Except I have to switch it to this part of my mouth because this gets hot for some reason.
I couldn't get past the rose flavor. It tastes like I just took Grandma's perfume and sprayed it in my mouth.
Okay. No.
No, I was saying, if you want to spit it out, go ahead and spit it out. I will not be eating that one or chewing that one.
That's a good joke to Dad.
We should give him some.
I know. That's evil. That's
Is it evil
That's
or is it
evil.
genius?
It's both.
So it's evil genius?
Yeah. Evil.
We're going to torture Dad with gum that tastes like soap. Alright. We can do that.
Never once in my life would I want it to taste soap.
Alright, so that was our snack crate for June. And I'm sure he'll take most of it and snack on it. Although
Hey.
I'm probably going to sneak a few of these items. Yeah. Alright, so I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day.
Stay safe as always.
And we will see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.